Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert on your PS5 and it keeps crashing, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your PS5 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games menu, and here what you're going to do is you're going to hover onto Crimson Desert, and then you're going to click onto the start button on your controller. And now what you're going to do is you're going to go into restore license here, and then you're going to restore the game's license on Crimson Desert. Don't worry, it will not delete your game. Once it's done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu again, and now you're going to go into check for update here. And once you go into check for update, it will check for any updates and download the latest update if there is. And once it's done with that, now you're going to go ahead and restart your PS5. So just fully restart your console. Once it's done with the restart, now you can try to play Crimson Desert, and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.